Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PropStream for landlord lead generation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the PropStream website. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to be redirected to the registration form. You will see fields asking for your email address, first name, last name, and password. Fill in the required information accurately to create your account. After entering your details, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree with the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Next, click the button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the email from PropStream. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the PropStream website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will have access to the PropStream dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. To generate landlord leads, navigate to the property search section. Select filters that specifically target landlords, such as ownership type or property type. Once you have set your desired filters, initiate the search. The results will display a list of properties that meet your criteria. Click on any property for more detailed information about the owner and the property. Using this detailed information, create a list of potential landlords to contact. Consider utilizing PropStream's tools for additional insights on each lead. You can save the leads to your account for future reference. Make sure to regularly check back in to refine your searches and find new leads. By following these steps, you will effectively register with PropStream and start generating landlord leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.